In this video, I will be covering August 4, 2021, Shift 1, complex numbers. So, three problems were asked. If you will see this first one, second, and third. So, first is just a routine question, second is cube root of unity, third is another easy routine question. So, let us start with the first one. It says if a plus iota b raised to the power 1 by 4 is equals to 2 plus 3 iota, then 3b minus 2a is what? So it's very easy, like shouldn't take much time to solve it. First let us square it. So if I square 1 by 4, I will get 1 by 2, and this is 2 plus 3 iota squared. So a square plus b square is a square plus b square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? We know that iota square is what? Minus 1. So 3 square is 9. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So minus 5 plus 12 iota is a plus b raised to the power half. Now if I just square it, half is gone. So a plus b is minus 5 plus 12 iota squared. So a square minus 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, iota square is minus 1 plus 2ab, 2a is minus 5 and b is 12 iota. Okay, so this is 25 minus 144, 10 minus 120 iota. So this is what? 119, and is that correct? 119, 124. Yeah, this is correct. Minus 120 iota. This is a plus b, I guess. No, a plus iota b. Sorry. So a plus iota b. So comparing the real part with the real and imaginary part with the imaginary, what do we get? A is minus 119 and b is minus 120. What is he asking? 3b minus 2a. 3b minus 2a. 3b is minus 120 minus 2a is minus 119. So this is minus 360 plus 238. So what is this? 140 minus 122, I guess. Yeah, so this is the correct option, right? So very easy problem. Shouldn't be an issue to solve this. Okay, now this is omega is a cube root of unity. We know that to solve this problem, we need to know is this: omega cube is 1, and 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. That's all you need to know. So omega raised to the power 1010 plus omega raised to the power 2020. Very easy. First divide 1010 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18, so you are left with 2. So this is omega raised to the power 336 times 3 times omega squared. So if you multiply this 336 times 3 and add 2, you will get this. Now we know that omega cube is 1, so if I raise 1 raised to the power 336, it is again going to be 1, and 1 times omega square is omega square. So this whole thing is nothing but omega square, and this, when you square it, you get 2020, right? 1010 get multiplied by 2, you get 2020. So this is omega raised to the power 4, and I can write omega 4 as omega cube times omega. Omega cube is 1, so this is omega. So this whole thing is just omega, and this whole thing is omega square. So this is omega plus omega square, and we know that this is equals to minus 1. So when I match it, A matches to 3. Now let us look at option B. 1 plus omega minus omega square into 1 minus omega plus omega square. We know that 1 plus omega square is 0. Right? So 1 plus omega is minus omega square, and from here 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So what is this? This becomes minus omega square into minus omega. So what is this? This is minus 2 omega square and this is minus 2 omega. So this is 4 omega cube. Omega cube is 1, so this is 4. So this is 4. Let us look at the third one. 2 plus omega square plus omega 4. And I think whole raised to the power 5. Omega 4 is what? Omega cube into omega. Easy. Omega cube is 1. So this is just omega. So this is 2 plus omega square plus omega raised to the power 5. We know that 1 plus omega square is 0. Right? So if I add 1 on both sides, so I will get 2 plus omega square is what? 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. So this is 1 raised to the power 5, which is 1. So this is 1. Last, 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square. 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square raised to the power 3. Okay, so if I take 3 common from these two, I get 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega whole cubed. 1 plus omega square is equals to what? Minus omega, right? Because 1 plus omega square is 0, so 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So minus 3 omega plus 5 omega whole cube. This is 2 omega whole cube. What is 2 cube is 8, and omega cube. Omega cube is what? 1. So this is 8. This is 8. So the correct option is A is 3. So this is gone. B is 4. So this is gone. C is 2. C, so this is gone. And D is 5. So this is the correct one. Let us look at the last problem. If the roots of the equation z minus 4 whole cube is equals to 8 iota, or a minus 2 iota, b plus iota, and c plus iota, this is small I, sorry, then square root of abc is this. So this is cube, right? So this is cube, so I want to write this is in cube as well. So can I write it like this? Minus 2 iota whole cube. Because minus 2 cube is minus 8, and iota cube is what? Iota square into iota. Iota square is minus 1. So this is right, this. Minus 2 is minus 8. Iota into iota is iota square into iota. Iota square is minus 1. So this becomes 8 iota. So I can write 8 iota is minus 2 iota whole cube. If I take cube root, I will get this, that minus 4 is equals to minus 2 iota into 1 raised to the power 1 by 3. I am writing it as 1 raised to the power 1 by 3 because 8 iota, when you take cube root of it, you will get 3 values, because we know that cube root of 1 is what? 1 omega and omega square. So z minus 4 is equals to minus 2i comma minus 2i omega comma minus 2i omega square. So z is equals to 4 minus 2 iota comma 4 minus 2 iota omega 4 minus 2 iota omega square. But when you compare it, you see a minus 2i, b plus I, and c plus I. So I cannot write the cube roots in this one, this way. I will have to do some sort of simplification for this. So a minus 2i is here, 4 minus 2i, so a is 4, but for b and c I will have to solve it. We know that these omega and omega square can be written as minus half plus root 3 by 2i, and minus half minus root 3 by 2i. So these two are 4 minus 2 iota minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2, and 4 minus 2 iota minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So 2 is cancelled. So what do you get? 4 minus and minus plus 4 plus iota and minus root 3 iota squared, and 4 plus iota plus root 3 iota squared. Iota squared is minus 1. So this will become 4 plus root 3 plus iota, and this will become 4 minus root 3 plus iota. The roots are given as b plus I and c plus I. B plus I and c plus I. So by comparison, b is equals to 4 plus root 3. C is equals to 4 minus root 3. A is given to me as 4. So square root of A, B, C is what? 4 into 4 plus root 3 into 4 minus root 3. So this is A plus B into A minus B, which is what? Square root of, this is A square minus B square. So 4 square minus root 3 square. We know that 4 square is what? 4 times 4 is 16. Root 3 square is 3. So square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 13 is left. 2 root 13. So this is the correct option. So I have solved all the 3 problems on complex numbers. Very easy problems. Will just take you a few minutes, but if you have done thorough practice, these problems should not be an issue for you at all. Okay, see everyone in the next video. Thank you.